In the very first courses we have over at Tier 1 Trading, we teach about the basics of reading a price chart, drawing out the ebbs and flows of price action. And a lot of traders find it boring and stupid and dumb because it's not necessarily a strategy, but the way we organize everything is in a way that you learn the basics, and then, which is your foundation, and the course is literally called the foundation course, and then you build everything on top of that. So when it comes to identifying levels of structure, if I were to just simply draw out my ebbs and flows, where I'm going like this, ebb and flow and ebb and flow and ebb and flow all the way down, if I want to see which levels are important, well, look at this. I'll just take one of these ebbs, connect the dots to one of these flows and say, boom, this is a previous level of structure that should be important, specifically the top part of this level being a key level. And you can see price action is banging right into that. I'm going to draw these lines back down here because this is going to be important again as well. I'll just talk about it right now. As far as targets go, and we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, right? Well, guess what? This other little line that I drew out before, this previous retracement that we had here, well, that's a good predictive point of where price may go next if we are going to go lower. And boom, what did I do? I set up my trade opportunity, right? I set up the area in which I'm looking for price to hold. I set up the area in which I'm looking for price to go to. Bada boom, bada bing, right? That's kind of the overall premise of the trade.